Do you often miss LinkedIn Sales Navigator messages from potential leads because they get buried in your inbox? Let's fix that. In this video, I'll show you how to build a LinkedIn DM monitoring system using n8n. Let's see how it works. First, the workflow starts when you manually execute it, or you can schedule it later. It's designed to scan your Gmail inbox for any new Sales Navigator messages. Next, the workflow connects to your Google Sheet lead database. This sheet contains all your important leads. By syncing with this database, the workflow can recognize which incoming messages are from qualified leads. The next node then fetches all recent LinkedIn notification emails using your Gmail connection. Each email includes sender name, subject line, message preview, sender's LinkedIn profile URL. This ensures the automation has the latest possible data on your incoming DMs. The next node uses text processing logic to extract the sender's name from each LinkedIn email. It cleans up formatting, removes redundant tags like via LinkedIn, and ensures the name is normalized for matching. Next, to ensure accurate matching, the workflow also cleans the names in your lead sheet. Now, once both lists are ready, the workflow merges the sender names from Gmail with the names from your Google Sheet. Each row now contains a cross-reference of who messaged you and whether they already exist in your lead database. Now, here's the clever part. The workflow uses a smart name matching algorithm to compare sender names with leads. It normalizes cases, trims titles and extra spaces, applies fuzzy matching to handle variations. When a match is found, the workflow flags that email as a message from a known lead. Once the matching is complete, n8n sends an instant alert email notifying you about the qualified message. The email includes the sender's name, the message category, for example, tech lead or marketing contact, a link to check your inbox. This ensures you can instantly respond to high priority LinkedIn messages. At the end of execution, you'll have real-time email alerts when qualified leads message you on LinkedIn, a clean and searchable record of all leads in Google Sheets. If you're in sales, business development, or lead generation, this workflow can save you hours every week and help you close deals faster. You can download the exact workflow from the link in the description. If you found this valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We'll be sharing more real-world automations like this every week. And if you want us to tailor this flow, drop a comment with your use case below. See you in the next video.